We're gonna do a coloring challenge.
Okay, so
we did the other challenge next time. We did the other one now, and now we're gonna do the other one.
okay, so how many challenges were that?
2.
2 challenges. I think we did a few challenges. Well, welcome back, guys, to City Kids. Today we're gonna do the coloring challenge.
We did the other one.
We're gonna pick 2 sheets from the Fancy Nancy book, and we're gonna blindfold them 4 colors from this Crayola box. All right, guys, are you ready? All right, let's put the blindfold. 4 crayons, Chloe. 4.
Okay.
Don't pick it up for 1.
I just want to like.
Go ahead.
Wait.
Pick 4 colors. 2. Good job. 2 more.
Let's get this one. I just have it. No.
No. 2. Pick 1 more. 2 more. 3 and 4. Count it, hey, Chloe. 1. Put it on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Haley's turn. Pick out 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. Yay! Now we're going to take 2 sheets from the Fancy Nancy. Okay? And there they go. Go ahead, guys. Start coloring. And whoever gets the best picture or has the best picture is gonna get a surprise. Ooh, nice green shoes, Chloe. Those are nice green shoes, mommy. Ooh, look at that skin tone, girl.
I don't have some skin.
That's yellow, okay?
What is that? Because it's
Wow, look at that orange, Chloe. Look at that orange. Whoa, she got orange and green shoes. Orange and green shoes. What a unique picture. What is that, Kaylee? That's her what?
eyebrows.
She got purple eyebrows?
She don't have brown eyebrows.
She don't have brown eyebrows? Do whatever color you guys want.
I'm just gonna color her dress like this. That's what it looks. It's not green. Like it's not green. It's not green.
What color is that then? That's like a light green, right?
No, it's not.
So what color is that?
It's a blue one.
It's a blue. Oh my god, girl. You know more colors than I do.
Who called this color?
What color is this, Chloe?
Blue.
Blue? No, that's green.
That's dark green.
That's dark green. Correct.
Chloe's color. Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
No, look. It's that she don't
It's
have
broken?
the color. Chloe don't have the colors.
Y'all both know how to color. Y'all color beautiful.
Look. She is her friend, so I'm a little
Correct.
So
Wow,
I'm
guys.
There's your lipstick.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So she don't have eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna like leave her like this. So I'm gonna put her hair like purple.
You gonna put her hair purple?
What her hair looks like, Daddy?
I think her hair looks like. Let's see the book. She's supposed to be looking like this.
Wait, but we making her different.
Make her different. Go
Understand?
ahead, make her different.
We just wanna make her different. I can't see the camera over here. It's honey? I'm done.
All done. Wow, Chloe's finished. Good job.
No. Maya's, guys.
Wow, look at Kaylee's. Only using 4 colors. These 2 and these 2. Can I see? That is beautiful. Okay, guys. This one is Haley's. And this one is Chloe's. Which one you guys think won? Oh, she did the back too? She had a lot of time on her. Chloe only had these colors. And Haley had only these colors.
Yeah, great.
So, who is the winner?
Both of us!
Great. Are you guys ready?
Yes! Yes!
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! That one is Haley's, and this one is Chloe's. Wait, sorry. This one is Haley's. This one is Chloe's, and this one is Haley's. They got l.o.l surprise. Woo! Can you show me them? Wow.
But they're super big.
They're super big. All right, guys. Daddy don't know how to open these, so I'm going to pause this video, and we'll be back in a second. Open it. Open it. You got it, Chloe? You guys got it? Or you guys need Daddy's help? Oh my God. Can I see this?
Yes!
Let me see. Oh my God, it's like a cat.
She talks!
She talks?
Let's see.
Oh my God, what else is in here? Oh man. Press the button. Oh my gosh, she blinks. Let me see. Oh my God, let me see, Haley. Wow. Chloe. Oh my God. She got a spray bottle.
You wanna eat?
Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Chloe came in a spray can bottle. And look at all the stuff we brought. This is Chloe's. Look, Chloe, look at this. Look. Let's open it. Open it. Wow. Yeah. Let me see. This is garbage. Garbage. Oh my God. She got a cupcake. Let me see. God, look, Chloe. She came in a suit. Like in a mermaid suit, I think. And there's more here. Look, oh my God, so many stuff. What is this?
Milk.
Oh, milk.
And this is
Look, Chloe has a necklace.
that's a tablet.
There's a tablet, let me see. Wow, look at the necklace. Oh, what else is inside? Look at these shoes. Oh my God.
What?
Wow. What else is inside? You opened these already? Oh my God, look, a bottle. Look at this one. Let's try this one. Chloe, look. Look, Chloe. A brush.
Hey, how do you put it inside?
There you go. Let me see. Wow. Let's see what's inside this one. What is this? What's going on here? I don't even know what's this for. I think it's like a swing, Chloe. That's like a swing, mommy. Wow. Somebody's in love with a cat. Alright guys, so this is what we got. Haley got like a cat that drinks nothing but milk. And Chloe, show me what you got, Chloe. And Chloe got a little, I don't know if it's a mermaid doll, I don't know. But she has red shoes though. Ow. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.